everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explain the overall programs on the accounting menu. To start with, this is called Visual Key. In this diagram, we can see the classification of data in the accounting program. The basic setting will be located on master data. In overall, there are 9 major components on accounting: journal management, ledgers management, financial management, period end processing, fixed asset management, funds management, budgeting, VAT filing, and accounting basic setting. Let's begin with the journal management. Journal management will consist all the journal transaction records. It has the journal entry, journal modification, journal approval, and journal entry closing. However, the most commonly used menu here are journal entry and journal approval or cancel. Later, we will also discuss journal entry inquiry and journal entry inquiry by individual. Visual Key is designed as a shortcut to get into the program besides using the main menu to reach the program. For example, if we click the journal entry, the system will bring us to the journal entry program. The next one is the ledger management. In this menu, we will see the archives collection of ledgers of the company. The ones that we are going to discuss more are general ledger and account ledger. The third one is financial statement. Similar with the ledger management, this menu shows the record entries depicting the financial condition of the company. Later, we will elaborate more on trial balance, income statement, and statement of financial position. The next one is fixed asset management. There is one menu that we will check regularly, the fixed asset. This menu compiles from the beginning of the recording until the lifetime value of the assets is finished. This program will give you the insight from the asset acquisition, the capital expenditure, until the disposal processing. The funds management. For more intricate options, SystemEver offers a menu that caters the payment progress while monitoring the process of the transactions. The ones that we are going to discuss more are the incoming and outgoing payment entry, not payable and check inquiry, and not receivable settlement processing. The next one is accounting basic setting. This menu comes to record the basics of the company treasury information, as well as to show the inquiries of the inputted data, such as account dimension values, bank branches, bank account by branch, and credit cards. That's the final of Accounting Overview menu program. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.